What if the greatest transformation of your life didn't come from adding more information, more striving, more noise, but from learning to sit quietly with yourself exactly as you are? For 30 days, I invite you to join me on a journey into the simplest and one of the most profound of practices, Vipassana Meditation. Vipassana means to see things as they really are, not as you hope they will be, not as you fear they might be, but as they are in this moment. It is a way of meeting life with openness, clarity, and the quiet courage to feel what is true. This program is for you if you've ever felt overwhelmed by your own mind, if you long for a steadier ground beneath your feet, if you sense that peace is possible, even if you're not sure how to find it. Over these 30 days, we will explore how to observe thoughts without believing every story, how to meet suffering with compassion instead of resistance, how to discover the freedom that is always here beneath the noise. Each day, you will receive a guided session blending teaching, meditation, and gentle encouragement so you can build a practice that doesn't just change your mornings, but changes how you meet your entire life. This is not about perfection. It is not about achieving some rarefied state of bliss. It is about returning to something you have always known, but maybe forgotten, the simple, unshakable presence at the center of your being. If you're ready to slow down, to look honestly, to remember your own strength, this is for you. All 30 days are free. No catch, no secret upsell, just a gift I hope will meet you where you are. I'll be here with you every step, every breath, every moment. When you're ready, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to start day 1 as soon as tomorrow, and let this be the beginning of something quietly extraordinary. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for bringing your presence into our practice. I will see you on YouTube for 30 days of Vipassana meditation.